Without Ice, sponsored by Aurora BayCare Medical Center. Benny Peterson has more on protecting yourself from slip and falls.
We're here today with Dr. Harold Schock, an orthopedic surgeon at Aurora BayCare. And Dr. Schock, how do we decrease our risk for a fall this winter?
I think it's important as we get into the winter season that the people remain active and outdoors. And, we think about falls not just with big snowstorms and shoveling driveways, but also as we're in this early winter freeze-thaw cycle. We have black ice, we have people of all ages that have slip and fall injuries.
And if someone were to fall, do you have any self-care or action steps one should take?
I think it's important that this time of year, as we are outdoors and being active and have some limitations on what we're able to do indoors, that people are encouraged to get outside and be active. Now, some of the things to do to protect yourself when you're outside and active, you should always have a cell phone with you. If you go for a walk, you should let somebody know that you went so somebody's checking on you if you don't come back. And I think you have to have proper gear on. If you're out ice skating, for example, you want to wear a helmet and, just be smart, be aware of your surroundings.
And what steps are you and the team at Aurora BayCare taking to protect the health of your patients during this pandemic?
There's a number of things that we're doing, and I think there's a couple different portions of the health that we're trying to protect during the pandemic. One being, if it's important, if you do have an orthopedic injury, there are a lot of safe ways that you can come to the hospital and be taken care of. I think it's also important that during the pandemic, we get outside, we exercise, because there's a lot of other things that happen during the pandemic that aren't healthy, like being inactive indoors. And that's the concern as we get into these winter months.
Yes. And so if someone does fall, don't delay your care.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Schock. For more information on how to decrease your risk for a fall, head to aurorabaycare.com. And Good Day Wisconsin will be right back.